So our program is we utilize our unit ops lab for a limited time of the year. And by giving that opportunity for others to get the same education that our students are getting, we are actually offering a 6 weeks program in which they can come here, work with our faculty, staff, and graduate students, and get the same level of training. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. Foremost, it actually provides a bridge between what you learn in the classroom and what you're going to practice.
Michigan Tech has always had an emphasis on a hands-on experience. That is our niche. That's how we differentiate ourselves from other universities. We feel that the benefit of actually working with the real equipment gives you a much better understanding of what's really happening.
This is like as close as it gets before you get out there in the real world with a job. So obviously that experience is just invaluable for being in here, working with a group of students, and learning how to turn valves or how to turn on a pump or what things sound like that sound normal or things that go wrong and how to fix it. How to use the program that companies use in their industry. Like all of the things you learn every single day is going to apply when you have a job.
They learn how to work in teams, they learn about safety, they learn communication skills, and they also learn how to work together in analyzing data and how this relates to what they have learned in the class, what are limitations of physical models.
So the whole idea of the summer class is to get the equivalent of 2 semesters of unit operations laboratory in just over the course of the summer. You'd be able to focus on that one thing instead of being distracted by other courses. You'd be able to do it in a shorter period of time, and you would get the full exposure to the class. And the whole purpose of our unit operations lab is to make sure that you actually work with real equipment that's approximately the scale you'd see working in an industrial job.
Talking to a lot of people who I know from other schools from being on through my internships, a lot of them have never seen full-size equipment of any kind or been in anything with computer controlled valves, things like that, where it's what you see in industry.
I knew I didn't really want to be anywhere else because I have never heard of anything like this at another university, quite the scale of the unit ops lab. So as soon as I toured this and saw the distillation column, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay here.
I'm very excited. I think we have the best lab in the country by a wide margin. How do you start up a plant? How do you shut it down? Developing safety protocols, because these are very complex operations. How do you manage when there is a sudden disturbance in the process? You want to continue to produce. So this actually provides a tremendous training for them so they can hit the road running when they join the industry. Many of the students come here because of our lab. So it's one of the points of pride in what we do.
So as much as possible, the equipment that we have is designed not just to do the job, but also to be visible and interacting so that you can actually see what's going on and work with every individual operation.
It's absolutely perfect outside, and there's so much to do. So you can go mountain biking, there's tons of hiking, swimming. There's lots of cool stuff to do. So my favorite place to be in the summer was here.
Chemical engineering is hard, and unit ops lab and plant ops is hard. But if you could do it in the summer, that'd be pretty cool because, again, when you're done working in here, you can go outside and enjoy this beautiful Upper Peninsula. Swimming in Lake Superior is amazing. That's my jam.